Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you an easy way to get UK Turks application to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So first of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in here. As you can see, there was even no need to enter whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader and that's the app which we need to get to our device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we need to go to settings. So here they are, open them, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Click on it. Here, you'll have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new ones, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then we go to install unknown apps, and from here turn that option on for the Downloader. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those which are only available in the official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it. And there's the Downloader application, which we set up and it's ready to use on the Fire Stick. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus right now, and from the moment we connect, all our internet traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you wish to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but would like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on your screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you 3 months of NordVPN for free. And now finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we open the Downloader application. Let's wait a bit. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, that's important. And here in that search bar, we'll have to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. and 7. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you have to click on Go. Now in a couple of seconds, a website is going to open up for us. And when the website opens, you just need to scroll down a little bit until you see a list of categories. So here it is, and from here we have to click on Movies and TV. So click on it. Then a huge list of apps is going to open up for you, and we just need to scroll down until we find UK Turks. So let's scroll down. And there it is. There's the UK Turks. Let's click on it. Then probably you'll see some kind of ad. In that case, do not click on open because that would mess everything up for you. Instead of that, click on close to close down the ad. Then a new web page is going to open up for you. Yep, here it is. And we also need to scroll it down. Keep scrolling until you see that download button. If for some reason it does not work for you and the download does not start, you can always use the backup download link, which is just below the usual download button. So click on download for now, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. As you can see, that happened really fast. Then we need to click on install right here and wait until UK Turks is installed to your Fire Stick. That doesn't take long. After that, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation file, as we really do not need it anymore. So click on delete and then delete once again. After that, finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. Scroll down to the bottom, and there you'll find UK Turks, which you just installed to your device. Now, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on move to front. This way, UK Turks is going to be at the very top of your application list, and it's going to be really easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just of course, don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And make sure to use my link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.